Transform your life in 30 days with 5 simple habits. What if I told you that just 5 simple habits could completely transform your life in the next 30 days? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stay with me, because in this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits that will boost your productivity, improve your mindset, and help you achieve your goals. And trust me, habit number 5 is one you don't want to miss. Let's start with habit number 1, the morning power hour. Spend the first hour of your day focused on yourself. Divide it into 3 parts: 20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of learning, and 20 minutes of planning your day. Why does this work? Because it energizes your body, sharpens your mind, and gives you clarity for the rest of the day. It's like giving yourself a head start every morning. Habit number 2 is the 2-minute rule. Here's how it works: if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. It could be replying to a quick email, putting away your shoes, or setting a simple reminder. By tackling small tasks instantly, you avoid procrastination and keep your day flowing smoothly. Trust me, this tiny habit makes a big difference. Moving on to habit number 3, the October 10-10 rule. Before making any big decision, ask yourself 3 simple questions. How will this affect me in 10 minutes? How about 10 months? And what about 10 years? This rule helps you think long-term, avoid impulsive choices, and align your decisions with your bigger goals. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make smarter decisions. Now for habit number 4, keeping a gratitude journal. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Focusing on gratitude shifts your perspective and helps you end each day with positivity and peace of mind. Finally, habit number 5, learn something new every week. Commit to learning one new skill, fact, or concept, no matter how small. It could be as simple as learning a new recipe, trying out a budgeting app, or even exploring a productivity hack. Learning keeps your mind sharp, builds your confidence, and opens doors to new opportunities. Who knows? That one small skill could change your life. So, let's recap: start your morning power hour, apply the 2-minute rule, use the October 10-10 rule for better decisions, keep a gratitude journal, and learn something new every week. These habits are simple, actionable, and incredibly powerful. Now, here's your challenge: pick one habit and commit to it for the next 30 days. Let me know in the comments which one you'll start with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on self-development and finance. And remember, big changes start with small steps. See you in the next video.